Hey everyone, and welcome to PyTroops. In the last video we learned how to update table in our database. In this video we are gonna learn how to delete a particular record from the table in our database. So let's get started. So I'm importing some modules here, and these line of code are making the connection to our database. You are very well familiar with this code. Let's just quickly create a cursor. So first of all, we have to write cur is equals to mydb.cursor to create a cursor, and then we have to write a query of delete. So let's take a variable, let's say delete is equals to the query for delete is delete from, write the name of the table here, which is this employees. Sorry, I have a spelling mistake there, so I just copy paste it. Delete from employees, where name is equals to, let's say we have to delete this Ali, so where name is equals to Ali. Now just execute this query. So for execution we have to write cur.execute, and inside the parentheses we have to pass this query, which is delete, and now just write mydb.commit. Now just run the program and let's see have we got any error or not. So there is no error. Now just go to your workbench, refresh your table, and yes, the record is deleted. So now what we have to do, we have to make it more interactive with our GUI. So let me copy paste the code here and now just call the main loop. So window.main loop, and now just comment these all lines. So comment these all lines, this one as well, and now we have to make some combo boxes and some entries. Actually one combo box and one entry and one button. So let's just quickly create the first combo box from c1 is equals to ttk.combo box, and inside the combo box we have to pass window and we have to pass some values. So inside the list or inside the val, because values, so I take the variable val, pass the variable which is name, inverted commas name, and phone number, which is the fields in your table. So this, now just quickly pass the val view here, value is equals to this val, and now just c dot grid. So inside the grid you have to write, let's say row is equals to 0 and column is equals to 0 as well. Column is equals to 0, and just give the pad x and pad y 10 10, and now you have your combo box. Just run the program, and here is your combo box, name and phone number. So now you have to create an entry box. So let's say E1 is for entry box 1 is equals to entry, pass the window here, and let's just pass the window here, nothing else. And now just grid your entry box, E1 dot grid, and inside the gridding pass the row is equals to 0, comma column is equals to 1, and now just run the program. So here is your entry box. Now create a button as well. So btn is equals to button, pass the window, comma text of the button, let's say delete, and now just create a function here. So def, the name of the function is delete, and now get all the values of delete inside the function. So let's say we have to get c1 and e1 inside this function. So get underscore c1 is equals to c1 dot get. Actually what is get function did, it would get whatever you write in the entry box or whatever you select in the combo box, so it will get that thing inside this get variable. So get underscore e1 is equals to e1 dot get. You get all the values, and now just create your query again. So delete is equals to, and write this query here, which is the delt is equals to, and the query is delete from the employees where, and you have to pass this type of syntax, which is percentage sign s is equal to inverted comma percentage s, again percentage bracket, and write this get c1 and get e1. What it will do, get c1 is for percentage s, first percentage s, and the get e1 is for second percentage. So where get c1 is equals to get e1, this will be your query. Now cursor dot execute and pass this del query inside the parenthesis, and now just write mydb dot connect, sorry dot commit. Now just remove this and run the program. I think is all okay, and now just run the program. So here you got the window. Now, oh sorry, I can't grid the button, I forgot to grid the button here. So button dot grid, and inside a grid write raw is equals to 1 and column is equals to 1 as well, that's 0, okay 1, okay. Now just pad x is equals to 10 and pad y is equals to 10 for having some space between them, and now just run the program. Okay, so button is not here. So column, let's say column is equals to 0, and pass the command here. So command is equals to delete, this delete. So whenever this button will be pressed, delete function is called. So command is equals to delete, and now just run the program. I think we all set now. Okay, so select what you want to delete, where let's say name, where name is equals to, let's say we want to delete Alexa. So where name is equals to Alexa, we want to delete the record. Now just go to your workbench, refresh the table. Yes, the record for Alexa is deleted. So let's just again delete another record by the phone number. So let's say I want to delete where the phone number is equals to, the phone number is 543834, and just delete the record. So now if I refresh the table, the record is deleted. So hopefully you understand how to delete records from the table from our database. If you understand the video, please like the video, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever we upload a video. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We will provide the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.